Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Chioma Ozulorah, and if this is your first time stopping by, please hit the subscribe button, like and share. I do everything skincare, beauty, hair, lifestyle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I kept my hair and how I actually relocked the hair. So this is 1 week after relocking the hair actually, so you guys can see my scalp. Yeah. So this is 1 week. So I'm going to be showing you how I actually relocked it. I have someone that is coming to the house, that comes to the house to relock it for me every once in a while. I'm also going to be showing you products that I uses to treat the hair and everything. So this is how the hair looks like exactly 1 week later. So I actually have my own products that I use to relock the hair. So I use this Loc and Twist hair treatment. It has rosehip and castor oil and other treatments in it. So this is one of the products that I use. Then I use this leave-in hair conditioner every once in a while, yes, to make the hair silky and soft. And I also use this bottle. This is just water to spray on the hair, especially when I want to put it up in a bun. So guys, this is actually a mixture of the leave-in hair conditioner and water inside of the bottle. So I'll use it to spray my hair maybe every once in a while, or in the morning when I'm going out, just to make the hair silky and soft and shiny. Yeah. So if you're a hairstylist, or if you're a natural hair girly like me, if you like to learn how to lock hair or relock hair, just keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to be using the shampoo to wash my hair. I've shown this product in one of my videos on my channel before, where I talked about how I care for my natural hair. Then I haven't locked my hair, so I'm going to be using this. I hope you guys can see clearly. Can you guys see it? Yes. Hair Wonder shampoo. This works really well. It's actually a 2-in-1 wash. It has a conditioner, and it's also a wash and also a conditioner. It softens the hair after wash. So this is what I use. Then this black portion is actually commonized. It's actually cheap, but it works. I've had it for quite a while, and you can see that I'm almost out of it. So this is what I use to moisturize the hair. Like, it actually works. Like, if you guys can see my front hair, you guys can see, yeah. So it actually does magic for growing scalp, like little hairs like around the front hair area. This works a lot. Both my back hair, like you guys see, like the hair in my back. Yes, this is what I use to just moisturize around the edges from the front to the back of my hair. This is what I use. I call it black cushion, but it works a lot. Yes, so this is what I'm going to be using to moisturize the hair after wash. Then before I go to, so guys, this is me after washing the hair. So I'm gonna go straight in to start locking it. So moisturizing the hair with the Loc and Twist hair gel. Then he used the crochet pin to start picking every strand of hair from the scalp. Then he brings it out from the So guys, in order not to make this video too long, it depends on you. You can actually slow it down to actually get to know what he's doing, or yes, just slow it down, because I was actually fast forwarding most of the parts of the video, because if I leave this video to play the way I recorded it, guys, it's going to take a lot of time. So I actually fast forward most of the parts, but I believe you guys are getting it. It's not hard at all. But however, if you guys will want another detailed video on how to lock your hair, please comment down in the comment section, and I'll think about it. Yes guys, so if you want a detailed video on how to lock hair, please let me know. So I'm actually going to be fast forwarding most of the part, but if you really want to get to know and see what it's doing, it's up to you. You can slow it down by reducing the speed of the video. So guys, as you can see, he continued using the crochet pin to pick the hair. First of all, he cuts the hair with the cotton comb, then he applies the twist and lock hair gel, then he uses the crochet pin to pick every strand of hair from the scalp. Then brings the hair out from the scalp, he brings it out down to the tail of every single dreadlock. So that is what he does. At this time I was so tired, guys. This hair actually took a lot of time. I've been sitting for close to 5 hours. I was just like, God, when will this end? So that is what he has been doing. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. So this is me after he was done with the hair. So I packed it into 2 buns. So as you can see, the strands, the single dreadlocks, you can see them. So he really took his time on this hair, and this is how the hair came out to be. So guys, if you're still watching us to this time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share to any hairstylist or any hair enthusiast that wants to start doing dreadlocks, or any natural hair girly that is thinking of locking your hair. So just watch the video and see if it's worth your while, if it's worth your hair game. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.